In this video, you will learn how to make money with Chat GPT by selling tailored business plans. In the rapidly evolving digital landscape, new opportunities to leverage cutting-edge technologies for profit are constantly emerging. One such avenue is harnessing the power of chatbots, specifically Chat GPT, to generate income by selling business plans. This video will explore how individuals can make money by offering well-crafted business plans through Chat GPT, tapping into the demand for entrepreneurial guidance and expertise. Step 1. Understanding the market. Before embarking on any entrepreneurial venture, it is crucial to understand the market. Research the demand for business plans, identifying potential target audiences such as aspiring entrepreneurs, startups, or small business owners seeking growth opportunities. Explore online platforms, forums, and social media groups where individuals discuss and seek advice regarding business planning. Step 2. Develop your expertise. To effectively sell business plans, it is essential to establish yourself as an expert in the field. Dedicate time to enhancing your knowledge and skills in business planning, strategic analysis, financial modeling, and market research. Consider obtaining relevant certifications or participating in courses to bolster your credentials. Building a reputation as a knowledgeable and reliable source will increase your credibility and attract potential buyers. Step 3. Tailor business plans to specific needs. A crucial aspect of selling business plans is customization. Understand that different businesses have distinct requirements, and a one-size-fits-all approach may not be effective. Develop a range of business plan templates that can be customized to suit specific industries, business models, or target markets. Ensure that each plan addresses the unique challenges and opportunities relevant to the customer's situation. Step 4. Leverage Chat GPT technology. Chat GPT, an advanced language model, can be a powerful tool in creating interactive and engaging conversations. Utilize Chat GPT to communicate with potential customers, understand their requirements, and guide them through the business planning process. Capitalize on the model's ability to provide personalized responses, ask relevant questions, and offer tailored advice. This interactive approach adds value to the business plan selling experience. Step 5. Establish a pricing structure. Determining the right pricing structure is essential for maximizing profits. Consider factors such as the complexity of the business plan, the time invested, and the market demand. Initially, you may offer competitive pricing or introductory packages to attract customers and build your reputation. As your expertise and customer base grow, you can adjust pricing accordingly to reflect the value you provide. Step 6. Marketing and promotion. To reach potential customers, invest in effective marketing and promotion strategies. Establish a professional website or landing page where customers can learn more about your services and purchase business plans. Leverage social media platforms to showcase your expertise through insightful content, success stories, and testimonials. Collaborate with influencers, participate in relevant online communities, and explore targeted advertising options to expand your reach. Step 7. Provide exceptional customer service. Ensuring customer satisfaction is vital for building a successful business. Respond promptly to customer inquiries, provide clear and concise communication, and offer support throughout the business planning process. Strive to exceed customer expectations by delivering high-quality, comprehensive business plans that align with their objectives. Positive customer experiences will result in repeat business and positive word-of-mouth recommendations. Step 8. Seek feedback and refine. Continuous improvement is key to sustaining and growing your business. Encourage customers to provide feedback on your business plans and overall service. Analyze their suggestions to identify areas for improvement and implement changes accordingly. Regularly update your business plan templates to incorporate industry trends, emerging technologies, and evolving market dynamics. In conclusion, by leveraging Chat GPT technology and offering well-crafted business plans, you can tap into the growing demand for entrepreneurial guidance and expertise. The key lies in understanding the market, developing expertise, tailoring plans to specific needs, and providing exceptional customer service. With effective marketing strategies and continuous improvement, you can establish yourself as a reputable provider of business plans and generate a sustainable income stream. Let us know in the comments if you would like us to make a long, in-depth follow-up video to learn more about how to make money using Chat GPT to start selling business plans. Also, don't forget to click the subscribe button to see more Shaun Academy videos.